16 WRX. Today we'll be installing IBL race cars, lower one-piece TGV. What a thing of beauty. Won't be a lot of talking. Get quick to install. We're gonna go from that to the finished product. Let's begin by unloosening these 12mm bolts on both sides. After you have the bolts removed, you're going to carefully want to lift up and take out your TGV and lower TGV. See? The other side we'll get to it when we get to it. Look under there, 2 sensors, plugs, couple lines. All this has to be removed to get to your lower TGV. Boost line. Obviously I have the Radium catch can, so that line had to be removed. Pretty simple, about 10 minutes in. So after you take out the 3 bottom bolts, that's how it looks like. Taking off the plate. Make sure you get in contact with your tuner before removing them. Your tuner will let you know if he recommends it or not. But oh yeah. Install your gaskets. Now removing the other side. We're ready. Simply pay attention, pay attention to the vacuum lines. Get ready to do the same thing on the other side. From our intercooler pipe is off. Same deal here. Got 3 12mm bolts. Take out. I gotta remove those gaskets from there and install on the IBR lower one-piece TGV. Looks pretty nice. Now there they supply bolts. Those will be the replacement for the bottom. Make sure you replace them. But wait, let's rewind that. These bolts are for the top. We'll get to that when we're there. After that, torque them down to spec. Bad boys are installed. So after you double check to make sure all your vacuum lines are plugged in, ready to bolt these up. With these new bolts, you'll be eliminating the factory ones and putting on these. So here you go. Didn't want to bore you guys with the install. You know, just show you. More like a walkthrough, quick walkthrough. Torque them down the spec. I will show you how she runs afterwards.